Hi, friends. This is Grumpy Monkey Spring Fever by Suzanne Lang and illustrated by Max Lang. One spectacular spring day, Chimpanzee woke feeling silly. He leapt off his branch and ran through the jungle, laughing and shouting. Why do I feel so silly? Jim wondered. Maybe you have spring fever, suggested Norman from next door. Spring fever, said Jim. Oh no! And off he ran. What's the matter, Jim? Asked Water Buffalo. I need to find a cure for my spring fever, said Jim. Spring fever isn't really a fever, said Water Buffalo. It's when the spring weather gives you lots of energy. You need to calm down, said Oxpecker. The other animals tried to help Jim calm down. You should take a bath, but try not to splash. You should wrap yourself in a warm blanket and take calming breaths. You should take a nap. You should drink tea or sniff some lavender. You should be quiet and sit still. You should put cucumber slices on your eyes and take a time out. Finally, Jim looked calm, but he didn't feel calm inside. I don't want to be calm, Jim shouted. Jim's spring fever is getting worse. Everyone stay away from him so you don't catch it, shrieked Oxpecker. All of Jim's energy turned into anger. Catch this, yelled Jim. He was about to throw a cucumber at Oxpecker when Norman showed up. Are you okay? Asked Norman. No, said Jim. I can't get rid of my spring fever, and now I have too much energy. Having lots of energy is a good thing, said Norman. Just enjoy your spring fever and do spring things. Spring things, said Jim. What are spring things? The other animals had lots of ideas for spring things Jim could do. You could decorate eggs and hide them and try to find them. You could wear a bonnet. You could pet baby animals. You could play ball. You could splash colors on your friends. You could plant flowers and give a few to your mom. You could listen to a long story and then eat a special dinner. You could climb a tree. Jim felt like doing all of that, so he put on a bonnet, petted some baby animals, listened to a story, ate a special dinner, and planted and picked and gifted and climbed and played and splashed and painted and hid and searched and shouted, I have spring fever and I don't care who knows it. Jim was having so much fun, the other animals wanted to join in. I've caught Jim's spring fever, said Oxpecker. Us too, said the others. It's a spectacular day to have a spring fever, said Norman. Everyone agreed. And off they ran, laughing and shouting through the jungle. The end. There are 25 striped eggs hidden in the pages of this book. Maybe you can go back and find them. Thanks for watching.